Immerse yourself in the tranquil world of ring-tailed lemurs as they gracefully navigate their lush, sun-dappled habitat. Witness their captivating social interactions, from gentle grooming to playful nudges, all set against a backdrop of vibrant greenery. Observe a lemur's endearing yawn, revealing its curious nature, as it meticulously grooms its paws and surveys its surroundings with bright, intelligent eyes. This intimate glimpse into their peaceful daily life, filled with agile movements and quiet curiosity, offers a serene escape into the heart of nature's wonders.